What's up, Sunrays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. I am actually getting ready to go somewhere, and I was just going to throw on a little bit of makeup, and I thought, you know what, let me go ahead and just share with you what I plan on using. So I do want to let you know that Merit did send me some of their products out, and I'm just going to try these today because I like minimal lipstick. This came right in on time because Merit is a minimalistic beauty brand, and so I wanted to give them a try. So one of the things that they sent me was their new serum. Now, I have never tried this serum before, but I'm interested because you all know that I have been saying that I wanted to get into more serums and stuff like that. So this one is called Great Skin, and it has 2% niacinamide in it. It has like 4 different hyaluronic acids in it. It has caffeine in it, as well as it's pH balanced, so it sounds like it has a lot of good stuff in it. And look at that bottle, it's just so cute. So basically it says you're supposed to massage 2 or 3 pumps on your face before you apply your moisturizer. So that is what I'm going to do. And man, look at that glow it gave me already. Nice. It doesn't feel greasy at all. Feels like it's soaked right in. So nice. Got a nice little glow from within. I like that. I don't know if you guys have ever tried this serum, but so far so good. So yeah, they sent me that. And like I said, I don't want to do a whole lot, but I do want to just kind of even out my face a little bit. So I also have their complexion stick. This is called the Minimalist complexion stick, and I have it in the color Buff, which is my color. And because it's a complexion stick, you can just kind of spot treat if you want to. So if you have some dark spots you want to cover up like I'm doing here, you can. But I want to do a little bit more than that, so I'm just going to put it all over my face. Not a lot, but enough. And then I'm just going to go ahead and blend it in. Like I said, I just want a nice natural look. Nothing too much, because I'm just going to a friend's house, so I don't need to do too much. She's having a little gathering. We're going to do just enough to even me out. So guys, because I have used Merit before and I like Merit, I've talked about them before on my channel, I do have another complexion stick that's in a little bit of a darker shade. This is the shade Amber. I'm going to go ahead in with that and just contour my cheeks and my nose a little bit. And around here, just to give me just a little bit more color to my face. So I'm going to just use this little stippling brush I have here and kind of blend it in. Especially right here because it fits right into that crevice, so I'm just using it. And then I'm going to go in with my little sponge here. And just continue to blend. You can see the contour there a little bit. So yeah, not gonna do a lot. And then I'm just gonna use my finger to take care of this. That's right here on my nose, like so. Okay, now they did not send me a blush because I already have some Merit, I'm gonna go on in and just put a little bit of color on my cheeks, like I said, just to give me a little bit of color. And I'm going to blend that out with my fingers as well. Okay, and because my eyes are just a little bit dark up here, I'm going to go ahead and again with this complexion stick, and I'm just going to put a little bit. This is the amber, this is the darker one. I'm going to put just a little bit up there and use my finger to blend it out just to kind of even out my lid. See how that kind of just evened it out a little bit? Okay. See how that just kind of evened out my eyes a little bit? So now I'm going to go in with their brow gel that I already had on hand as well, and I'm just going to brush my brows down a little bit. Not doing too much. And yeah, last step, I'm going to just add a little bit of the next product they sent me, which is their Shade Slick Lip Tint, and this is in the color Sangria. So because I'm really light pretty much on my face, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a bolder lip. Bold for me. For you guys, maybe not so much, but bold for me. And it's definitely buildable. And now let me fluff out my hair. Guys, there you go. That is my natural makeup look. That is pretty much all I do most days. Just put on a little bit of something to even out my skin and put on a little bit of cheek color and a lip color. So yeah, guys, that's it. If you're interested in any Merit products, I do have a link to Merit. I'll put it here as well as in the description box, so make sure you go down there and look. If you do go down and use that link, you will get free shipping for orders over $40. And if it's your first time ordering, you will get one of their signature bags for free, and their bags are really nice, so you can't beat that. So yeah, guys, that's it. Let me know if you've tried Merit beauty products. Let me know what your favorite Merit product is. And guys, I do want to remind you, it is the holidays, so Merit products make a great stocking stuffer. They make great gifts for people that you know who likes to wear minimal makeup. It's a great gift, and it's just a good gift for you to add to your Christmas list. So yeah, guys, don't sleep on Merit. Again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.